Hello बच्चों, so let us see this question. During photosynthesis, oxygen is liberated by oxidation of option A water, option B carbon dioxide, option C plasmolysis, option D none of the above. So photosynthesis की अगर हम equation को देखें, so CO2 plus H2O. I am not writing a balanced equation, इसको बाद में balance करेंगे. C6H12O6 plus O2 plus water. सो ये जो ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पर एज बाय प्रोडक्ट लिबरेट हो रहा है, दिस इज बेसिकली कमिंग फ्रॉम द ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर, और इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम प्लाज्मोलाइसिस और नन ऑफ द अबव. So let us solve the question and let us first understand that what is basically photosynthesis. It is the process by which it is a process by which green plants produce organic substance, that is glucose, in the presence of light and chlorophyll. So this is basically photosynthesis. Now what happens during the process is, so we all know that photosynthesis has two phases, the light reaction and the dark reaction. So during the light reaction, when chlorophyll molecule absorbs the light, the electrons of the chlorophyll molecule gets excited and leave the chlorophyll सो बेसिकली यहाँ पर क्या होता है, ये जो क्लोरोफिल का मॉलिक्यूल है, इसके ऊपर लाइट फॉल होती है और ये अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर देता है. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज फोटो एक्साइटेशन. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज फोटो एक्साइटेशन ऑफ क्लोरोफिल. क्योंकि ये लाइट की प्रेजेंस में हो रहा है, इसीलिए इसको बोला जाता है फोटो एक्साइटेशन. सो दिस इज टेकिंग प्लेस इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ light. Now the electrons that are emitted from the chlorophyll, if it is that Z scheme, that is if it is non-cyclic photophosphorylation, then it is absorbed by the electrons in non-cyclic photophosphorylation are accepted by NADPH plus. Okay. Now, if this electron is accepted by NADPH plus, so this chlorophyll molecule remains in the excited state. So it needs electron to come back to the ground state. So to replace the electrons of chlorophyll molecule, water undergo photolysis. That means in presence of light, the water molecule is split. So it splits like this. And in this process, oxygen is liberated. So this oxygen, which is liberated as a byproduct, this is coming because of the photolysis of water. So the source of oxygen is water and it is not carbon dioxide, right? So इससे ये चीज यहाँ पर हमको क्लियर हो गई है. So during photolysis of water, oxygen is released as a side product, and this oxygen is released in the environment and it is inhaled by us. So from this discussion, we can conclude that this oxygen is coming by the oxidation of this water molecule. This carbon dioxide is not our answer because this carbon dioxide is not oxidized. It is basically reduced for the production of glucose. So ये जो glucose यहाँ पर बन रहा है, this is because of the reduction of carbon dioxide. Plasmolysis is the shrinkage of plasma membrane. तो ये आंसर नहीं होगा. Option D, none of this. This is also wrong. So यहाँ पर हमारा right answer होगा option A, that is water. So I hope this question is clear to you. Best of luck, students.